Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today I am making a tutorial video of soft sand cement texture, and this is a tutorial video for you guys, and this is a most requested video. So now I am starting a video. This is a soft sand cement. I want a texture like soft sand cement, dusty texture without any gritty material. So that's why I use soft fine sand cement in this texture. This is I already add a cement into this texture, but don't I forget to record a video. But now I'm recording a tutorial video for you, so that's why I'm adding a cement, and I'll show you how I make my texture. So this is around 15 kg cement, and I already add 4 to 3 kg cement into this texture. So this is a soft sand cement texture. There's three most important steps. The first step is the amount of cement, and the second step is the amount of water, and the third step is when you add a cement and water, don't make any kind of shape, because when you add any when you make any kind of shape, it will become hard because you are using a pure fresh cement. And when you using a pure fresh cement, your texture will become hard and it take a lot of time to crush. So don't prepare any kind of shape when you add a pure French cement. So these three most important step when remember these three most important step when you prepare any kind of shapes, any kind of textures. So and the another most important step is mixing is also one of the most important step when you preparing any kind of shape, because when you not mix properly or properly, your texture getting so much stones after it will become dry. So this is also most important step. So remember these things. This is very helpful for you when you are new in this field. So now I'm going to start a video. So this is a dusty texture because I'm using because in this texture I'm using a small size of sand. So when my texture is ready, it will become super soft, super dusty, and super silky. So this is another thing. So I hope it will help. Now I'm going to add a cement in this texture, and I'm using around 1.5 kg of cement, because I already add a 3 to 4 kg cement in this texture. There's some most important step when you're making any kind of shape. First of all, don't make any kind of shapes when your texture is not ready. So I'm preparing my texture. I'm taking around 3 to 4 days to ready my texture, because I am mixing properly, then adding water and spread into surface. Then when it come to dry, I will repeat these steps around 4 to 7 times. So when I repeat these steps around 4 to 5 times, maybe 7 times, my texture will become dusty and not hard when I'm making any kind of shape. So this is most important step. So now I'm going to add a cement and remove all the stones and lumps. Now mix properly, and this is a main step when you making any kind of shape, because when you not mix properly, your texture will become gritty. Okay, so if you want a gritty texture, you should not make to remove any kind of stones. And if you want a soft sand cement without any gritty material, so you should remove the stones and lumps into this texture. So this is super dusty texture I have, and this is my favorite texture. I'm removing lumps and mixing properly. If you want a gritty texture, you should not remove any kind of stones. But I don't want a gritty texture, so I want to remove all these lumps and stones. And mixing properly is a main step. There's main step is mixing and less water, using less water. I can't wait to crumble this texture. This is one of my favorite texture. And one more thing, I'm using gloves when I preparing any kind of shapes and texture. But for video, I'm not using a gloves. But gloves is most important, and pure fresh cement is very dangerous for your skins. So for your hands also. But I'm always using gloves and mask when I'm making a video. When I recording a video, I'm not using gloves, but I'm using mask and cover my face, cover my hairs, and cover my body when I'm using um, any kind of texture and making video. And this is very helpful, and this is must, you all guys must follow these things when you recording a video. And it I mean, trust me guys, it damage your skin, it damage your hands and nails. So that's why I'm using gloves. But now texture is dry, so now I'm not using gloves. But when I am adding a water, I'm using a gloves, because wet texture damage your skin. So you all guys using gloves. So now I'm adding water in this texture. First of all, the quantity is matter. I mean, when you preparing any kind of texture, you should using around 1.5 glass of water. This is a 15 to 17 kg cement, and I'm adding around 1.5 cup, 1.5 glass of water. You should use 1.5 glass of water, because when you add more water, your texture will become hard. So maximum to maximum, you should add around 2 glass of water, but this is enough for your texture. I mean, I have around 17 kgs texture, and I am using 1.5 glass of water. So this is enough for your texture. And after you repeat these steps around 4 to 5 times, you should increase the amount of water, but you should not add a cement using after increasing a water quantity. So now I'm adding a water. I love this texture. I love this texture, guys. This is super soft. And now I am wearing a glove. This is my gloves, and I love these gloves, and the color is beautiful. And can you see this? This is super dusty, guys. I love this texture. This is my favorite, and its smell is too much good. I mean, too much. And when your texture is new, it take a lot of time to mixing. But now I am going to mixing my texture. So can you see how I'm mixing? And one thing, remove all the stones, lumps. So that's when you remove lumps and stone, your texture will become not a gritty. So remember these things. So now I'm removing all the lumps and mix properly. I love this texture, guys. This is one of my favorites. This is super yummy, satisfying texture. And the one more thing is, it's too much dusty, and I love dusty texture, and I want a dusty texture. And that's why I'm adding a cement into this texture, because I want my texture super dusty, super soft. And people also love dusty texture, so that's why I want to become my texture dusty. So now I'm mixing. And please guys, using gloves when you preparing any kind of shape. And can you see, this is wet, okay, not too much, this is damp, okay. So and this is a perfect amount of water for this texture. or for new texture. This is a perfect amount of water. So now mix properly, remove all the lumps and stones, and after mixing, spread the texture of any kind of surface, and when it will become dry, again repeat these steps. After it become dry, add around 1.5 cup or 1.5 glass of water and mix properly. Remove all the lumps and stones, and spread into surface, and repeat these steps around 4 to 7 times. Okay, and after repeating these steps, your texture will become dusty and ready for shapes and ready for crumbling. So this is a short tutorial for you guys, and this is my personal tips for you guys, and I hope you like this video. And sorry for my English because my English is not good, I'm too much bad. And one more thing is that you should not tab when you spread any kind of surface, because when you tabbing, your texture will become hard. So don't tab your texture, just spread any kind of surface. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any question, any request, and if you want any kind of tips. So I'm definitely replying your comments, and also sorry for that when also sorry for that I'm not reply all your comments, but I'm reading your comments because I am too much busy in my study, my works and other things. So that's why I'm not replying, or sometimes I'm not replying, but I try to reply my viewers. So sorry for that. Chale, Allah Hafiz. Bye.